Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I know I haven't been really great on keeping up on my videos and I apologize. I am doing really well with recovery. I'm about to start some physical therapy to try to get some range of motion back in this hand and kind of learn how to reuse it again. And in the meantime, I do have a smallish thrift haul. I have a holiday show coming up on the 29th and 30th, and I've been like so busy getting ready for it. I have stacks. First of all, this is my table right now, for real. And then lots of stuff. And you can see my sewing and my craft cart and lots of stuff going on. So first of all, I have what my phone is sitting on here. That is the biggest Lazy Susan I've ever seen. And honestly, I'm keeping it for myself. It has like a Formica on it, but I'm keeping it for myself. I have a smaller one I use when I'm painting smalls so that I can just spin it and not have to pick it up and leave fingerprints. I'm going to actually use this for bigger items out in my garage. It would have worked really great on some bar stools that I finished up not long ago, but I'm really happy I found it. $5. And it's like, it's huge. It is seriously huge. I have a glue board here for a sign, and it's way bigger than this even. That's on my project list for today, along with the shutters that are sitting here too. So anyways, let's get into this thrift haul. I went out specifically looking for a bookshelf or some sort of something similar. I kind of want it for the show that I'm doing. And I didn't have any luck, but we did find some other things in the meantime. Some of them are, no, most of this is for the show. I found these. There's 3 of these little Santa faces on stakes. They are these Target, are these Walmart? These are Walmart. They were 98 cents a piece. I paid 99 cents for the 3 of them. I just figured these are a good crafting item. You can stick them in a lot of different crafts. So I grabbed those. I also grabbed this star with pip berries. I just thought it was really cute. It was $4.99, probably a little bit more than I would normally pay for something like this. But I figure, while I do have, as you could see, a ton of smalls and ornaments and things like this for that holiday show coming up, I just figured just having some little shelf sitters. I know it's a tree topper, but shelf sitters are key. I'm actually gonna kill 2 birds with 1 stone and clip off my tags as I go through here. So I got that. I got this item. This was $5.99. I plan to totally upcycle this. So I have some, this is glass, and yes, it does come out, and I couldn't figure out in the store how to open this because, you know, I don't have full, here we go. Anyways, it does open. But I do plan on putting inside of here some mini ornaments and then filling it partial way up and then tying a bow on the top. And then that'll be done. This was $2.99. And I have, you know, you couldn't see it when I turned the camera around. But for my ornaments, I have some old vintage bundt cake pans that I have some of them in. But I wanted something else, and the other thing I'm using is an old wooden mug tree. I have one, oh, it's behind that coffee pot up there. I have one up there, and I may end up taking it down and borrowing it for the show, but I have one that I have some on, but I bought this to put more on, and I'm pretty sure this is just for jewelry. Maybe not, I have no idea. Maybe for mugs even, I don't know, but it needs cleaned up. It's kind of nasty. $2.99. But I figure I'll use this to display ornaments. And then next up, we'll move these pip berries. I got this big bundle for $3.99. This is actually a garland, so it can be pulled apart, but I actually really like, I mean, it needs a little finagling to make it look a little bit more even, but I actually really like it. And it's definitely red. I know it might come across as pink, but it's got like little sparkly sugar on it, so that's what that is. I actually love that. This is just a recipe box, but it's very reminiscent of some of my bread boxes I do. And it's just a really cute little storage. And that's how I'll market this. This will get painted, distressed. I'm trying to keep all the items I am bringing in, you know, certain colors, so I'm not doing too overwhelming and too, I don't know. I'm trying to keep them all in the same 4 or 5 colors. So this was $3.99. I love it. I love it. I love it. Don't really have anywhere to put all this today. I'm gonna move that back there. I found this for $4.99. And I'm trying to get these stickers off. I'm so sorry. Who doesn't love Santa's sleigh? I mean, come on. This will get painted up, distressed, and then staged somehow. I'm not sure yet. I have some really cute gnomes I picked up at Target today. And maybe a gnome, but I kind of want them for myself. And then last but not least is just a bread box. Give me a sec. This one was $4.50. And so, you know, not as tall as some of them I do, but this is a perfect one just to do a simple wording on it. And it was $4.50, and get it cleaned up, get it painted. If you can see over here, I've got a gray one back behind the shutters there that I'm working on. And I think that one's just going to get some grain sack stripes. So if I do this one up, I will definitely do some sort of wording on that and have that ready to go. It is a 2-day show that I'm doing, so I just want to make sure I have extra stuff after day 1 if I need to bring more in. I'm painting shutters galore. So this, I actually typically spray these, and I didn't this time because I only had certain colors. And if you've been in stores lately, there is definitely a shortage on spray paint. So this one's Hurricane Gray from Dixie Belle. It needs its second coat still. It looks kind of mucky. I did this one in Juniper, which is one of Dixie Belle's new fall colors. I love this color, you guys. I also refinished some bar stools in it. And if I remember, I'll get them put up here. They are beautiful. I love, love, love this color. What else did I did something else in this for the store last week. I don't remember what, but if I remember, I'll put that up above too. But I love this new color. I really hope they keep this in their lineup because it's phenomenal. It is absolutely the perfect shade of olive green. These will get wreaths on them, distressed, and then hanging hardware on the back. They're a really great seller for me, both in the store. So I'm really excited about that. Some other projects I'm working on. These are going to get repainted. I have 2 more here. I just haven't started these yet. I also have a dresser I'm working on, which I used milk paint, and that's actually my mud room. If I think about it, I'll put the picture of the dresser up here. It's with Sweet Pickins milk paint, and I believe in olive, and it doesn't really come across olivey to me. That Juniper does. But I love it nonetheless. I am also working on making some risers. My jigsaw broke and my other saws aren't set up. So I actually had some oak sitting out there already cut in some good shapes. So I'm just going to be using some. These are from Walmart. I have wood beads too, which is what I typically use. But this oak is so much heavier than the pine I would normally use that I'm going to go with these little, they're actually finial covers, but I just liked the fact that it's just a little bit different shape. And I have this one, and then one that's a little bit longer. Those I'm working on. My bread box. But I found, y'all, I love my Target, and you know I do. You move some stuff. So I've been doing, I don't know, I was similar to this, but this one's a little different. It's just got some resin pumpkins in this, but the ones I did for the store had they were just little orange ones, and I don't know if you've seen my video for the little white trucks. It's those ones, those little pumpkins I filled up and wrapped a bow and I put in the store, and it's sold. And I was gonna do more for Christmas, and I have red ones, but I can't match the red. I had these really cute bows in there, and they just don't look right. So I found some filler, and I'm working on those. But Target came out with these snow globes. I am so excited for this. They had white and red. I just grabbed white this go round. Again, that red for me is really hard to match with some of the crafting stuff. But I'm looking forward to putting like stuff in these and getting them all filled up. I'm knocking stuff over. I found these little deer that may end up in them. I found my tiered tray just got kind of knocked here. All right. So I found these cloches. These are not glass. These are plastic. Yeah, plastic cloche. But they do have a wood base that can be painted and distressed. And I will put some like batting in on the bottom of this and make it look like snow. I've got some little bottle brush trees that I'll put in these. I haven't totally decided what else, but I've got these to work on. And let me move a couple of these around here. I found, okay, I only grabbed 2 of these and I totally regret it. They're little sleds. These were $3 a piece, but they would be the perfect sign. And I'm like, well, I'll just do these up for the show. And then I'm like, wait, I should have grabbed more because I kind of want one. I kind of like those. It would look really cute in the mudroom. So I haven't decided yet if I'm going to paint all the parts and pieces or just do my sign on here. But I have 2 of these. And I also grabbed 2 of these. These are gift toppers, but I thought they would make really cute ornaments where I could put something on this part of them and then resell them. So I got 2 of those, and I kind of wish I'd gotten more of those. Yeah, buyer's remorse. Some other fun stuff I got for just me. The cute little pillows and throws. I don't know if you can see that, but it's super cute. I'm really excited to get that stuff out. And then whoa, see, it's on the Lazy Susan, y'all. Let me grab these gnomes. We have all sorts of gnomes. They had 4 different kinds in when we were there. I'm missing one of my fuzzy deer, but they had 3 different ones of these. I thought they were cute. So these are mine personally, along with the gnomes. So they're all just a little bit different. But I love gnomes. My kids bought me one earlier this week over in the corner. I don't know if you can see him over there, but he is over there. So that's kind of what I've been doing, is getting ready for the show and apparently buying Christmas decor for myself. So I will give you guys an update when I do the show, which isn't until, again, the 29th and the 30th. I will hopefully go live on Instagram at some point and get that, maybe even Facebook. I haven't decided. And I'm going to be doing, hopefully, some DIY videos with some of the stuff I'm working on. Probably not so much like the stuff I already have halfway done. It doesn't make sense to do a video on my shutters without doing the whole thing. So, and I've done bread boxes before you guys before. Again, I think this one's just going to get some grain sack striping on it and then leave it pretty plain. And maybe I'll do one on some of these, some of the quick and easy, cute little decor you can do with the snow globes and the cloches. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And again, I'm trying to get back into doing my twice a week videos now that I'm feeling better and I no longer have the cold that the kids shared with me, and my arms getting, you can kind of see my scarring. It's not pretty, but hey, I'm here. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.